Alright, so we're going on to the next part of this pig head. We did the ear cracklings, we did the eyeball tacos, we did the pig snout with sweet taters, we did the tongue soup, but now we're taking a deeper dive into the cheek. We got a taste of the cheek in the video when we originally smoked this head, but now we're really going to cut it up and get it all and make some Sammiches out of it. So let's dive right on in. We already got this side a little bit cut up. We can just start, get a good carve in there. Peel that fat away, because right, look at this. Boom, baby. That's a jackpot right there. Shredding apart. Don't leave that good shredded meat behind. There's probably a much easier way to do this, but I'm having a good old time just peeling away my own damn self. Slice of the skin. Peel it right down. Look at that, some good meat. You can slice away, because we want it all. It's probably going to be easier at this point, since we're so far in, to just break that jaw out and look at all that cheek. Look at that, pull that jaw right out, get a fork, scrape it out, man. That's it, cut it all out. That is a sight to see. Literally, I mean, you just pulled the jaw off of a pig. You see its teeth and everything. It's a sight to see. Alright, there's definitely some more meat that we can probably scrape together and get here. We'll just hide that, just like that for you. This is a good amount of cheek meat. Get your choice of barbecue sauce. I got some Stubbs, sweet heat. Pour it in, cover it, shake it up. Look at that, beautiful. We got some potato buns. Get some of your meat, lay it on down. This is why we smoked this pig head right here. Get some of that cold vegetable slaw. We put some of this in our eyeball taco, sprinkle it on. Same with our pickled onions. Cover it with a little bit more sauce. Boom. There's your pig cheek barbecue sandwiches. Now we're just gonna close them up. And that's it, man. Dive in, take a big bite. Man, that is so good, tender, juicy, smoky, delicious. Man, you just don't get to have something like this every day. And that barbecue with that pickled onions and that slaw. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Smoked pig head, pig cheek, barbecue, unreal. So you gotta try this, man. We just made a dent in this pig head, the pig cheek, the gold mine, the honey pot. We got one part of this head left that we haven't touched yet. And that's the brain. It's all right here. And we're gonna get to that in the next video, so stay tuned, see what we got going on.